Sheriff, thank you for coming and visiting with us. So here at BDI, we insure a lot of hotels, both here in Texas and across the country. And obviously one of the biggest concerns that our hotel owners have, and as well as our insurance carriers, is human trafficking. Now you have had some recent success in this area, and I know you've worked with one of our local hoteliers to do a pretty major interdiction. Can you tell us a little bit about, kind of the state of human trafficking, I guess, in the hotel space in particular?
Yeah, probably the best indicator that they can look for is an abnormal amount of foot traffic going in and out of a particular room, especially if it's persons that they don't recognize.
Yeah.
So I as a police officer, we learn to know our surroundings and the people that are in certain areas all the time, so that one that doesn't sticks out. Yeah. I'm sure hotel employees do the same thing. You generally make face-to-face contact with these people that are checking into these rooms. So if you start seeing a lot of traffic going in and out of that, especially if it's like you see a lot of males, right, unknown males showing up and going to this one, you may want to alert the authorities, let the local police department, sheriff's office know, so that they can respond accordingly.
And so that kind of brings up a good point. They should not be doing anything on their own. They should not be addressing that or trying to, I guess, intercede in that or ask questions that could make them a potential victim, right?
No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't engage. I'd let law enforcement do that. And also on that note, if you have a hotel owner that's willing to assist law enforcement and provide them the resources in these type of investigations, I would encourage them to reach out to the local chief of police or sheriff and let them know that that's available if they want to do that. Because a lot of times that's part of the conversation, is who will work with us on these operations, because we do depend on them. And we don't really want to do it in the same place all the time,
right?
Because they'll pick up on that. If I get called to this location, it's going to be a police sting. So we'd rather move it around and not be the same one. So if they're willing to do that and work with us, I mean, it helps on the big scheme of things, target human trafficking and, like you said, try to eradicate it.